if you want to give the NISM Series 8 Equity Derivatives exam. The first step is to complete your enrollment in the official website of NISM. So, let's learn how to book a slot. In this video, I will show you the complete process step by step without any confusion. Step 1. Login. First, go to the official NISM website. The link is also given in the description box, so you can open it from there. Log in with your account. If you are not yet registered, then watch the video provided in the description box. How to register on NISM portal. Step 2. Exam selection. After logging to your account, you will see your dashboard. Here, on the top right, you will find the Enroll option. Click on the button. Now, first select the examination type, which is examination. Then, select exam. Choose NISM Series 8 Equity Derivatives exam. After that, click on Next. Step 3. Date and exam center selection. Now, you need to fill in the required details related to your exam. Select your payment mode, state, and city where you want to take the exam. After this, you will see the available dates and slots for your selected center. Pro tip: choose a date that is a little later so you get enough time to prepare. Now, choose the time slot that is convenient for you and then click Next. Step 4. Final review before the payment. Next, you need to fill in your billing address. You can click on Same as Profile if it is already filled. Now click on Next. You will now see a preview page showing all your details. Check everything carefully and then click Next. Now, a confirmation pop-up will appear with a transaction number. Click the OK button below. Step 5. Fee payment. Now choose your preferred payment method, such as credit card, debit card, net banking, or UPI, and click on Pay Now. After successful payment, your exam slot will be booked. This is how you can easily book your exam slot on the NISM website. If you are looking for the latest updated mock tests at an affordable price, along with short notes and video lectures, you can visit our website www.nismexams.in. Link is in the description.